What's going on, everybody? Told you guys I was gonna start posting more frequently, so here I am. As you can see, just test fitting up some wheels, seeing how it's gonna look. Makes it look a lot more complete than it is. Just got the shop cleaned up, so as you can see, a lot more space to work with in here. So yeah, basically I put these on to get it over here. I'm gonna take them off. Unfortunately, I forgot a tab on the trunnion, one of the locking tabs. So I got to pull the hub back off, put one of those tabs on. Nothing crazy. First time doing it, so it was bound to happen. Something was going to get missed. But for you experts out there, my differential is sitting on the guides perfectly. My differential is clamped down all the way. But it looks like well, it's also perspective because the car is slightly crooked like this, but also my differential pinion driving flange, I guess it's called, is bent. So obviously that's going to come off, get resealed, but I feel like my differential is slightly crooked. As you can kind of see there, it almost looks like it's kind of angled that way a little bit, and I just can't wrap my head around it. I don't know if it's illusion, because the flange is slightly off. I did some measurements and stuff, and it seems straight, but maybe it's just an illusion. As you can see there, I mean, it kind of looks like the diff is kind of crooked, but I don't know. I don't know if there's a little bit of play in there. When it gets down on the wheels, I don't know, maybe someone can help me out with that in the comments. Yeah, so next up, obviously got to sandblast these, get these ready for the front shocks. Y'all know what these are. On another note, I got this one repainted. It's a little dusty right now. Got that in there, and then I have the new shoes and everything ready to go back in. I did discover something on my axle though, or my rear hub. I'll show you guys now. All right, so here it is, and yeah, on my rear axle, if you look here, this, I don't know why it won't focus, but that pin essentially there, or stud I should say, is slightly raised, and it looks like it was almost damaged before and welded back in and then ground down. Obviously I'm concerned about it. If it's not something I should be concerned about, please let me know, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to end up just getting a new hub because I don't know, it's welded in. I don't think it's just gonna punch right out, and even if it does, it's almost embedded into this hub now. So yeah, it's another roadblock, but they are bound to happen, right? So that's what else is going on. On another positive note, I'll show you guys over here. I got one coat done of bed liner on the interior. So yeah, it's not fully finished. I ran out, but I need to finish up these walls here and then do the inside. But yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. Did that inner fender as well, so gonna do that on the rest. I mean, it's a little bit rugged. Hopefully it's a little more rust preventative. Super happy with the way it turned out. Hopefully soon I'll have a paint booth in here set up once I get a little bit further on the chassis. And yeah, it'll be my first time painting, so super excited with that as well. And hopefully it all starts coming together, starts looking like a car again. But yeah, if anyone can answer that diff question, I would appreciate that because my head's been spinning about it. But other than that, on the chassis, essentially I had the wrong brakes. I told you guys about that last video, so got to rebuild those new ones. And then once I get those installed, I'm gonna run some brake lines, get the hand brakes set back up, get these body mounts back on, cross members. So yeah, it's coming together slowly. I'm going on vacation for 2.5 weeks, so oh, excuse me. The next month will be a little bit slow, but yeah, I'm gonna start a new series here soon on a XJ6. It's actually an XJC right-hand drive, pretty rare car, coupe. So look for that coming soon. Got the TR6 in here. Got to do some hydraulic work on, and then I also have the E-Type, which I need to do some work on as well. So lots of good content coming. Just giving you guys another update video, small update before I go on vacation. But yeah, it's all coming together soon. Hopefully paint soon, brake lines, all that good stuff. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments. If you have any helpful tips on something you see that I'm doing or something you're doing wrong, I'm doing wrong, just please let me know in the comments. So that's it for now, and I'll see you guys next video.